Hey guys, good morning. So I didn't close out last night's vlog because what happened? Oh, we ended up getting food, but then all the places we went to just took too long, and so we just went home. And then what I wanted to eat for dinner was chicken nuggets, chicken alfredo, and fries. I wanted that combo, but the food ended up actually making me vomit last night, so that's cute. We also had my brother-in-law and sister-in-law come over last night and hang out and spend time with us. It was really nice, so I don't want to vlog that because I wanted to be present and hang out with them. I'm going to clean because I'm going to be making brazo de Mercedes for Kim's mom. She's the one that did my hair, but her mom. So yeah, I'm excited to make that. And then I'm gonna probably make some cookies too. And after that, we're going to see Jonah, which is my cousin, which I'm not gonna vlog because I want to spend time with him. For now, I'm gonna clean. Peace. Hello vlog, it is Friday. Wait, let me put some lip balm on because I've been watching some of my vlogs and my lips be dry, y'all. Okay, that's better. So my skin is just glowing. I'm gonna put some brow gel because my brows are a bit pricey. Anyway, so sorry. What are you sorry for?
One thing I ask you, let me be the one you bad dad ask to. Go from Malibu to Paribu, yeah I can have a bit, but she ain't bad to you. So hit me up when you pass through. I give you something big enough to tell your ass to. Swag on me, but when you drag casual, I mean it's almost unbearable. 100 years not there would I pull up on side, let you have me back. Open up your leg, he too square for you. They don't smack that ass.
Yeah, so as you saw, I took some pre-workout because I will be doing my first PT session since like March. Oh my gosh. No, Feb. And the only reason why I agreed to do this, I haven't done any form of exercise. Well, that guy scared the crap out of me. Just opened up his hood of his car. Anyway, I haven't trained since, can't believe I haven't trained since, well, haven't had PT since Feb, 19th of Feb to be exact. But yeah, I'm on my way to get my ass kicked as a birthday present. So this PT session, what I was trying to get across is this PT session is only happening because it is a bday gift. Anyway, I am going to listen to some music to kind of pump me up, I guess, because I'm nervous. I'm really nervous. I feel like I'm really gonna suck during this PT session. I'm actually gonna suck so bad. So wish me luck, because I know I need it. Okay, I'm gonna listen to music. Bye. Okay guys, so I just finished, my PT session and I died. I was meant to do, so it was a circuit, and I was meant to do 4 of them. I only got to 2 because I was fried. It was so bad. Oh man, so much disappointment. But shout out to my coach for gifting me with this PT session. But yeah, I really need to pee because I drank so much water. I used my water breaks too many times. I had loads of fun. It was just nice to see. It was really nice to see my coach and like just to like chat, hopefully onto better things. I want to get fit again because that was super embarrassing how like unfit I am. I'm going home to eat some pizza though. Peace. Okay. Hello. Oh, you're in frame. Hi guys, welcome back to the Lugtu family channel. I didn't vlog anything today. I probably should have, but I don't know. Why didn't we?
Apple juice.
Busy.
Apple juice.
We have our Tinola eating crazy over here. He's like going in. Anyway, we wanted to do an unboxing today, and obviously, as you can see by the title, we are unboxing our brand new dun, 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 dun,
Dyson!
Yay! So I got some birthday money, and we had a bit of money saved up anyway, and I decided to get this as a birthday present to me.
True, Mum.
Yeah. To be honest, so how long have I been wanting this?
Long time.
Long time.
We've
right?
been wanting one for a
Yeah.
long time.
Yeah.
Every one of our friends that has a Dyson
We
knows how much we love Dyson because we end up cleaning their house.
That's so true. I didn't even
Yeah.
think of it that way. But yeah, we wanted to unbox it because it's an exciting moment for us all. Would you like to do the honors?
You can do the honors.
Oh, okay.
Happy birthday.
Thanks. Okay. So I'm just gonna open it up. So we got the Dyson V7 Animal Origin. As you can see. There it is there. All the other ones were like way overpriced. For our for our small apartment. Anyway, so yeah, we don't have a big apartment. It's not a big one, but it's not a small one. It's a decent size. Like we don't need like the V8 or the V10, V9, whatever they're called, because we just don't need it. And I think don't come for me, but I'm pretty sure the main difference between them all is
Price.
the amount of time it can be used at one time. So say I think this one goes for 25 minutes. I think the other ones go for like half an hour to like 45 minutes, and you don't really need that.
No. That's probably the suction power, and I think the $1,100 one has like a intelligent head where it knows if you're vacuuming on carpet or hard surface, but we just need a vacuum. We just need a vacuum. That's it.
Yep, that's the best explanation. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up, eh?
I know. Makes no
You don't want to watch
difference.
Coco? Here it is. We got
Ooh.
it! Cool!
Cool. Malachi, make a mess now so we can clean.
So, I'll just quickly show you. This is what you get inside. So you get the stick, the motor head, and I think the head is down there somewhere.
And the charging dock.
Yep. Let's open it.
Oh, that's massive.
This is huge. Look at that.
That's a lot bigger than the ones that I remember using.
Wow.
Whoa!
Whoops.
That's cool.
How are you supposed to know how charged it is? I think that the other ones you can actually see how much charge is on it. It's the charger. So it comes with different attachments. The lady said that this has more attachments than the other one that we were looking at. So there was like a V7 Origin and then a V7 Animal Origin. We got the Animal Origin. Maybe she was just trying to sell us. That's the head. How cool.
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 3.
Ooh,
4.
that's really strong.
I don't break it.
I'm trying not to break it. Oh my, I broke it already. I'm trying to figure out how to open it up. It's not broken, we just don't know how much pressure to apply and how.
Let's read the manual, eh?
Absolutely. I broke it already.
That's so us. Something that we always do. I feel like we break everything.
Yeah.
You just have to push it down.
You can do it. Bag's not. Knows how to empty it.
Oh.
Oh, I just had to go all the way up first. Oh, thank goodness. That would have been an expensive mistake.
Well then, I don't need this no more.
Absolutely. Let's just get cleaning. Oh, you can do this. That's so cool. Oh, oh my gosh. Put your hand there.
No, I'm scared.
Put it. Come on.
Mama.
That's really strong, huh? There's a setting here. So you have max suction and you have the high suction extended run. So the low power. This is low power. Oh, that's really cool.
Oh, that's cool. It says here, no touch, bin emptying. That's like the worst thing about a vacuum that I really don't like. Having to touch the... Oh. So this is good. I'm happy about that.
Alright, he's taken over my position.
Where's that? Where's the other
More.
head?
Yeah.
Oh, we're supposed to get this one. The crevice tool. The heck
Where
is
is it?
that?
The crevice tool. I saw it. Oh, what's that one?
Maybe it doesn't.
What crevice tool? Ah, that little thin one.
Regardless, anyway, I'm excited. So let's charge this bad boy up. We have a Dyson, my love. We finally have a Dyson. Woohoo!
Love it.
Teamwork. I wore a bra today for the first time, and it's really not okay.
I haven't worn a bra in months. I feel like I'm gonna be really technical with these heads, and she's gonna be cleaning, and I'm gonna be like, babe, that's the wrong head to use. You need to be using the
Lights off. Charging is complete.
angled head. Oh no, just wait, Malachi.
Malachi.
Malachi, no, just wait. You can use it later.
You make sure you listen. Yes.
The power. Malachi, it's just as brand new, and we're really protective of our Dyson, alright? Meet your new brother.
Hey, look at mama. Look at mama.
Hey.
Are we gonna listen?
Yes.
You promise?
Yes.
You say sorry,
Kiss,
Dada.
kiss.
No.
Okay,
Say
say.
sorry.
Sorry.
Give Dad a big hug. Big hug.
Okay. Now, hug Dyson.
Hey, yay!
Hug Dyson.
Nah.
Say sorry,
Sorry.
Dyson.
Mat lava.
Dyson. Say Dyson.
Say Dada.
Dada.
Shush.
Shoes.
The disrespect in this house.
Okay, when the light turns off, that means the charging is complete. And I'm a vacuum, yo. Where is your killy killy? You show me your killy killy now. You love mama?
Yes.
You love Dada?
Yes.
Okay, while we wait for this to charge, we're gonna give this boy a bath, and then we'll be ready to rumble. So the max mode only lasts 6 minutes.
Really?
But like the normal powerful suction is up to 20 minutes.
That's not bad.
Well, that's annoying. It takes like 3.5 hours to charge.
3.5 hours for 6 minutes. All good. We got a Dyson, baby.
Are you ready?
You're gonna be seeing us use this a lot, I think.
And a lot of the clean with me's.
That's right. We're gonna give him a shower, and we'll let you know how we go.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ciao. For now.
Don't even think about it. No.
Ah, okay.
Oh my gosh, Mom, your cookies are so huge.
I don't know why.
That's too big.
I want big cookies. Look how much better I have one.
What's going on? What happened?
Nothing.
Come on, talk to me.
Why?
I will just do it in 2 batches.
You're gonna beat up the shit's been
You
happening.
excited
What are
for your
you actually
cookies?
doing to help?
I'm very excited, actually.
Look, we have Malachi's kitchen here too. Okay. So, the Dyson has finished charging. The light is not flashing anymore. So I'm gonna unplug it. I should probably take off all the...
Lipat anak.
Oh, so Filipino way.
Just catching up on some maths.
I'm not gonna use max. I'm just gonna use power. The power section. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You ready?
I'm ready.
3. No. You ready? Oh my god. Hey go, you need to try it, you're gonna love it.
Cutting angles.
I'm probably gonna think we're so lame because we're like so late to the game.
Calm. Max power.
Do it.
Wow. Now that's what I call a vacuum.
Holy moly, that's nasty. Wow.
There's a bit of hair, dirt. It really rips up a lot. Like it rips it up.
What's your review?
So good.
Yeah.
I think we'll like it more when we can actually just take it off. You know, take it off the
Reach
charger.
it, yeah.
Reach for it and then clean up without having to plug it in or whatever.
Yeah, because this is the vacuum that we usually use.
Just good. It's a good vacuum.
It's a really good vacuum.
It sucks it up. It has these bristles as well.
Yeah.
So it's the same type of mechanism, but you just have to plug it in and you have to drag it around with you. Whereas this one, it's just, can't wait. Can't wait.
So, all in all, awesome purchase for us. Yay! Happy birthday to me. Love it. What a way to end the birthday week. And then I'm gonna show you what the cookies look like because they smell divine. Oh my goodness. When you said big, you meant it. They're like Subway cookies.
There you go. The people asked, I delivered.
Wow. Bon appetit.
With Malachi.
Wow. How awesome. Doesn't even want to put it on a plate. Straight off.
Don't waste time.
Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. It was a bit of a different one. We're about to eat our...
Cookies at 11 p.m.
And we're gonna keep watching all the maths highlights, even though we have not watched the show at all.
And also 9-Day Fiance.
Yeah, we just want to watch No Neck Ned. Actually, before I go, we were actually doing a Zoom party for our friend Mitos. So everyone from New Zealand, everyone all over Australia that, you know, she's friends with, we all went on a Zoom call. And then a lot of them ended up having to go to bed or leave the conversation. And so it was just us and a few other people and Mitos. And all we did was screen share and watch No Neck Ned.
Yeah.
90 Day Fiance.
That was so funny.
So now we're obsessed and we're going to keep watching it. So we're going to find a way to watch it.
Maths is too intense for me. I'm gonna have nightmares.
Peace out. If you guys made it this far as well, thank you.
Leave a comment.
Oh yeah, leave a comment if you have a Dyson and if you love it. And if you don't love it, leave a comment as well. But yeah, thanks for watching our vlog, guys. Make sure you do subscribe if you enjoy our videos and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it too. we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
Ciao.